I'm selling my Dyson AIRWRAP. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you? My name is Annabelle, and if you clicked on the title of this video, you know that I'm selling my Dyson AIRWRAP, and this is why you shouldn't buy one. Not only has the Dyson AIRWRAP single-handedly given me my online creator career, it has made my hair healthier than it's ever been, and I really don't need any other styling tools when I use it. Like, how annoying. Doesn't it know that I want to have other hairstyling tools? And like, healthy hair, we don't want her, do we? And those are just a few of the reasons why I simply would not recommend buying the Dyson AIRWRAP. No, but in all seriousness, I am selling my Dyson AIRWRAP because I am moving back to the United States. I'm moving back home to California, which is where I'm from. And my Dyson AIRWRAP is a UK plug, as you'll see here, and I don't want to mess with using an adapter, as well as I've heard it doesn't work as well when using an adapter and it could fry it in the long term. So I'm selling my Dyson AIRWRAP, and I'd recommend you do the same so you can buy a new one. You know what I'm saying? Because we love the new Dyson AIRWRAPs. But when I return home to the US, I will be buying the new one, and the new one that has come out. You guys have asked me in my comments if I've tried it, which of course I wasn't gonna buy it just to buy it, but because I have to sell this one, I'm gonna buy the new one when I move back home. So I am selling my Dyson AIRWRAP before I move, and so I thought we need to make one last video with her because I won't have any Dyson AIRWRAP videos for the next few weeks until I buy the new one. So today, drum roll please, I am going to be showing you how I take my dirty, dry, not freshly washed hair and prep it and style it with the Dyson AIRWRAP. So often you probably see tutorials, as well as I do this after you shower when your hair is wet, do this and this and this. Well, I'm going to show you, if you by chance didn't Dyson AIRWRAP your hair after you shampooed, what you can do to still use this tool days in when your hair is dry to get it to last and stay and work for you. So stay tuned if you're interested in watching this, and I hope you enjoyed the bit of sarcasm in the beginning and aren't too mad at the clickbait. So first things first, we are going to spritz our hair with water. Again, we need some moisture for this style to hold the best, which we are after a blowout that lasts. So I just have a little bottle and I will spritz it. It doesn't need to be fully damp, but definitely a little damp. Okay, and now we will just brush that through. And then you can kind of see where your hair is damp and where maybe you need to add a tiny bit more water. So I'm adding a little bit more right here. Now that we look like a wet dog, we are ready to begin with the next step, which is heat protectant. I'm using the Heat Shield by Bumble and Bumble, and we're going to fully saturate our hair because we want to protect our hair at all costs, as well as our hair color. So the next important step when Dyson AIRWRAPing your hair on your hair that's already been dry is taking a sea salt spray. If you watch me, you know I love a sea salt spray. I use this when I freshly washed my hair, but today I'm using the Surf Spray by Bumble and Bumble, and I will just mist this all over my hair. This gives my hair extra grit and texture to hold on to a blowout because my hair is fine and silky and straight, so I need that. Okay, I'm gonna start on my front pieces, making sure I have the right barrels. I'm just gonna take these little curtain bangs and AIRWRAP them, and then I'm gonna wrap them in a little roller, just to let those sit and cool so that we have lots of volume. Oh, one of my last times AIRWRAPing my hair for a while. Oh no. And then I love these little rollers, and I love taking them, pulling it all the way through, and begin wrapping it down. From the back forward, but I think today I'm going to do it from the front forward to allow optimal cooling time for the front pieces. So I will just begin taking my sections and AIRWRAPing like normal, holding heat for about 10 seconds, cooling for about 15 seconds, and you cool, by the way, by taking this button. When it is all the way pushed up, sorry, I still say it, pushed up, and then you hold it up is how you cool. Just so you know. pretty bouncy and amazing. I'm gonna let these cool for about 5 minutes and then I will be back to brush them out and see what it looks like. It's looking cute. We're gonna pull these out. Oh, and just begin running our fingers through our hair and shaking it up. Oh, I'm gonna miss my Dyson. And then what I like to do is even bend upside down. Oh, and flip it. Oh, the volume? You guys, look at the way my hair freaking looks. You guys, I swear this, like, honestly, as of now, looks even better sometimes than when I do it out of the shower. I think that is sometimes probably because I'm lazy about making sure it's fully dry, like around the barrels, whereas today I didn't really have to worry about that because it was definitely dry. So you can finish this off with adding some hairspray, texture spray, hair oil, whatever you like. I'm just gonna leave it as is because I put hair oil in my hair earlier today and I don't want to weigh it down, and I really want to just see how this lasts throughout the rest of my evening. But guys, this is just why I'm selling and hate my Dyson AIRWRAP, because it makes my hair look this good. Like, you definitely don't want one. But I'm seriously gonna miss my Dyson AIRWRAP for the few weeks that I don't have it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two about how you can Dyson AIRWRAP your dry hair, and it really will hold and look amazing and give you so much volume. Thank you again for clicking on this video and coming along for the wild ride of all the emotions. I really am obsessed with this beautiful thing over here and excited for whoever's gonna buy it and get to have it, because she's a wonderful, wonderful hair tool. So this is me signing out with the best hair on the block, if I do say so myself. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.